Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to your own channel Civil Engineering with a new lecture. In our today lecture we will calculate the quantity of paint required for a wall and also we will calculate its price. So friend, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and also press on the bell icon to get notification about other civil engineering videos. So let's start our today lecture. Suppose we have a wall of a length 30 feet and a height of 20 feet. We will calculate the quantity of paint required for this wall and also we will calculate its price. Same calculation will be applicable for any wall everywhere. So in this lecture we will calculate the quantity of paint for this wall. So let's start our calculation. First we will calculate the area of this wall. We know that area is equal to length multiplied by height. Here the length is 30 feet and height 20 feet. So we will just multiply these two parameters and the required answer will become in square feet, which become 600 square feet. Now there are two types of wall on the basis of wall paint. The first one is repaint wall or wet wall. So first we will calculate the quantity of paint required for repaint wall and then we will calculate its price. After this calculation we will calculate the quantity of paint required for a dry wall or newly constructed wall. So let's calculate the quantity of paint required for repaint wall. In case of repaint wall, we know that 1 gallon of paint covers 350 square feet area. So here the area is 600 square feet, therefore we divide 600 by 350 and the answer will become 1.714 gallon. Now if we want to calculate the quantity of paint in liter, so we know that 1 gallon is equal to 3.785 liters. So we will multiply the quantity of paint in gallon by 3.785. And the required answer will become in liter, which is 6.48. Now if we want to calculate the price of this paint, for which we suppose that 1 gallon of paint price in market is 1000. So here the quantity of paint in gallon is 1.714 and the price of 1 gallon we suppose is 1000. So we will just multiply these two, which will give the answer of 1714 rupees. Now to calculate the quantity of paint for dry wall means that a newly plastered wall after whitewashing. So same procedure will be applied for dry wall, only the parameter change here is, in the case of dry wall 1 gallon covers 200 square feet. We know that the area is 600, therefore we will divide 600 by 200 and the required answer will become in gallon, which is 3 gallon. Now if you want to calculate the quantity of paint in liter, so here we will multiply 3 by 3.785 because 1 gallon is equal to 3.785. So the required answer in liter become 11.35 liters, and hence we suppose the price of 1 gallon of paint which is 1000 rupees. Here we will multiply 3 by 1000 and the required price for the dry wall paint will become 3000. So friends, this was our today lecture. If you like today's lecture, please like this video and share with your friends. See you in next video.